Stone Age and Metal Age. I am Muhammad Usman from Moonlight International Publication House, and thank you for joining me here again with a new interesting topic. The title of the topic is What is Stone Age and What is Metal Age? There are two periods in prehistory which we are supposed to discuss today. यानी कि हम प्री हिस्ट्री के अंदर दो इराज हमें नज़र आते हैं, यानी प्री हिस्ट्री को दो इराज के अंदर डिवाइड किया गया है, जैसा कि हमने पिछले अपने लेक्चर के अंदर इसको डिस्कस किया था. वन पीरियड इज स्टैंड्स फॉर यू कैन से स्टोन एज एंड द सेकंड period is considered as metal age. So first of all, we will talk about what is stone age and what is metal age. Dear students, stone age is a period in history when the people used stone to make tools and weapons particularly, and that is why this period is called in the pages of history as the stone age. There are a lot of definitions and concepts that can be referred here, but in order to convey in a very simple manner, I would love to say that it is a period, यानी तारीख के अंदर एक ऐसा दौर जब लोग टूल्स और वेपन्स को बनाने के लिए स्टोन का इस्तेमाल करते थे. तो इस इरा को जो है वो स्टोन एज कहा जाता है. ये जो स्टोन इरा है, that is further divided into three eras. Number one is Paleolithic era, the second era is called Mesolithic era, and the third era is called Neolithic era. So basically this stone age has further divided into three eras. इनको तीन further eras के अंदर जो है वो divide किया गया है. The Paleolithic era is the first period in stone age when the people used to engage with stone to develop different tools and weapons. Mesolithic period is the middle period of the Stone Age, and Neolithic period is the last period of the Stone Age. Now we will talk about Metal Age. So Metal Age is basically an era under which people used metal to develop different tools and weapons. It is different from the Stone Age because in this period people used to engage with metals to develop tools and weapons. Instead we can say stone. So ये एक ऐसा पीरियड तारीख के अंदर है जिसमें लोग मेटल्स को जो है वो यूज़ करते थे. एंड द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट एंड वाइडली यूज मेटल वाज कॉपर, यानी लोग सबसे ज़्यादा जिस मेटल का यूज़ करते थे तारीख के अंदर, एंड दैट वाज कॉपर. दैट मेटल एज इज़ फर्दर divided into three eras. Number one is copper age, number second is bronze age, and number third is iron age. Now we are going to conclude our topic by saying that stone age is an age when people used stone to develop tools and weapons, while metal age is an age in history when the people use metal to develop different tools, weapons, and other you can say the weapons, other things of the daily life. Thank you very much.